Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add sections to Google Forms. Adding sections to Google Forms helps organize long forms into separate pages. This improves users' experience and makes navigation easier. Now in this video tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps step by step. So let's follow these steps together. The first step is to open Google Forms. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, select your form. Now the second step is to insert a section. And to do that, just click on the Add Section icon in the right hand menu. It's the icon with the two rectangles. And click Add Section. And as you can see, I added a section. You can add as many as you want. Now a new section will appear with the title and the description field. Third step is to add questions to the new section. And to do that, click inside the new section and start adding questions. For example, this one, I'm going to choose this and I'm going to add to this section a question. Sections can include multiple choice, short answer or paragraph responses. Now for the fourth step, control form navigation. Now in multiple choice questions, click on Go to section based on answer to send users to a different section depending on their answers. This is useful for conditional logic surveys or quizzes. Now the fifth step is to reorder sections. You can click on the three dots menu next to the section and select Move Section here. And you can reorder it. For example, you can click on the arrow and adjust the order and click on save, or you can do it manually by clicking on this section and moving them. The sixth step is to preview and test the form, and to do that, click on preview, that's the eye icon, to see how sections appear for users. This example, I'm going to click on next, and as you can see, you can view it right here. Adding sections to Google Form helps create a structured and user-friendly experience. Use sections to group related questions and apply conditional logic for personalized responses. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.